Hello everyone. This is 2 years of journey recording. This is the experience of last 2 years. I guess it every 3 or 4 months I have been sharing my journey, my feelings, my thoughts, my current position or actions. And this video was due since 2 3 months. I had a thought I'll do it again, but yeah, here I am. So this 2 years, because why I'm saying 2 years is because it's been exactly 2 years when I left my job or left it but it's been 2 years. I am trying different things. Finally, the thing which I wanted to do, have my own, create a software or training, which is still not started, but it's been 2 years where I am completely working on these things and to get into a new projects as well. So it's working in both the sides, but yeah, there is still not much progress. Um, and this particular 2 years, I would say, like in a monetary way, I started with 6 digits of number in my bank accounts. So I thought, okay, let's the amount will the 6 digits will help me to run my 2 years. And if things are not working in 2 years, then maybe I have to switch back. Because at the end, the thing should go on, right? So I gave myself 2 years, and I think it's probably up. And during this times, I have been thinking to move back to job as well, and which I may have to consider. Looking that my 6 digits in the last 2 years have come to 5 digits, then four, then again three, and then again four, maybe five. So it's like the market graph from six to five to four to five, and currently it's at three. So it's very bad, but it's okay. Somewhere not that good, but yeah, this is again raw. I feel if I give a lot of thoughts on adding or attending or that perfection thing, then still I'm not able to share videos. So what I do is I just shut my mind, shut sorry, shut my mind and record like this, like whatever emotions are coming or whatever I want to share with you guys. I keep a one or two pointers and just start the video and record it and just publish it. Those are the ones which are getting published, but still on my other side, actually I have recorded I think 3 videos but still not published. Don't ask me why, I am not sure. I did published some records, and I'm not sure if I have updated to everyone, because last time I think I was planning to give my AWS exams. I have given that and I have cleared it. I'm not sure if I'm repeating myself because I haven't seen my video again. But yes, two exams which I have prepared for, I have given. So SA is also over, which was the big one, because last time when I gave, I was not able to clear for some marks, but this time I have cleared it. Again, the same margin what I was less with, the same margin is what I have cleared, but I am cleared. I'm so happy. So after that, I am thinking to start on the data AI journeys and those things, because nowadays AI and everything is moving fast, and I think that's the place to be as well. Nowadays there are a lot of coding agents and coding things which I feel in coming months coding will be a piece of cake. But of course I don't say that AI is only and everything, but I'm sure this will give an edge to the people, those who don't have a coding skills. So earlier it was like, if you want to build something, you need to have a developer, or you should have an engineer or software. So I think that barrier will be going, but in no way, in my understanding, it doesn't mean that software engineering will go down or developers will not be required. Of course, if you have the technical knowledge, the deep down things, how the things are working, and like experience and all, of course, there's no beat or no, chance that things will not work out in your favor, like coding things will go down or something. But I would say it is more generalized now because of the AI coding agents and a lot of research happening in this. But maybe soon, not like there's no dependency on developers, but the person who are aware of that, of course they have a good edge and they will be able to create more better out of that. So according to me, I feel that's good. But now things will slowly move on to some other things. When I say meaning, now once coding is done, we have a lot of other things to manage it, maintain it, scale it. So maybe that's the point where, if you guys all are studying or going, you should put your energy into that. My plan is that, so I'm just suggesting that. Apart from that, when I was just introspecting, or when I was going in my diaries, the old diaries, I saw that everywhere I had the same thought, or maybe I have written the same thing, that I want to start the tutorials or I want to do the trainings. And long back, let me take you to my meetup page where I have registered and I run my meetups. So this is meetup groups. These are the two meetups which I have been running. I think it's almost been 9 years and running, but yeah, it's in terms of my day. I think this will be the first time I'm revealing this is the another channel or my real dream or the oldest dream, whatever you say, which I have started on and running on that as well, but not to the full capacity or not what I have thought. Yeah, going back to my diaries, yes. So everywhere I have written the same thing, that I'll be creating tutorials which will help everyone to learn, but still that is missing. If I go to my first one, this one, which I like initially started when I was in Ahmedabad, and the very first meetup which I did was on October 22, 2016. Here it says two didn't go, six went, but actually I remember there were only two people who came, and it was great. I think somewhere I have taken the photo of my empty hall or empty chairs as well. I have to find it, but I'm sure it is there somewhere in backups and backlogs. But like I did this just I wanted to do. This was the PHP thing, and I think during this time I was also learning Laravel, and also once this was done, once I have done this event, I also went ahead and gave some yes Laravel. So I think 22 October I did the first one. Second one I did on 27 November, which was Laravel 5.2. So I have been following Laravel since 2015, approx that time when 5.1 came, and then 5.2, and also, and I love this experience. I'm still do. A lot of people say PHP is dead and all those things. That still goes, and I understand the reason why. But for me, understanding the concept, or having the grip or something, is still very good, and that still helps when I am now consulting other people and folks and companies. But I still love coding on this Laravel, and then Laravel hands-on experience. So these things were going on, and later on when I moved to Bangalore, again I started here as well, uh, like to train and all. So this is my Bangalore's group, and it has been 24 meters. I think since very long time I have stopped updating on this, because now as like I have removed Mahidev and Laravel Live into like two separate things. It is two separate things, but now for Laravel we have Laravel separate meetups going on. So I'm not updating here, or maybe we have something else. So maybe some calendars are missing here, but the reason why I'm showing and why I'm recording this into this is because I just wanted to go back in time zone and see what's going wrong and why things are not working. Where did I start? And also soon I'll be closing this account, Meetup. So that is also a reason for this. I think I have renewed my membership again. I'm not using it much. That's the main thing. So somewhere I'll take the backup of this, or maybe this video will act as my backup, so that I can see something I have done. I keep on saying that I fail, I'm not doing, but somewhere when I see I'm offline, I am doing that. So maybe it's a clue that offline works well, online I'm not able to do, or maybe something, I don't know. Okay. So coming back, if you see, like I was in the second week of Jan, I came to Bangalore, and from the very next weeks, like as soon as my things settled and all, I started giving training on Laravel. So if you see 4th Feb, the first Saturday which came, again the next Saturday, Feb 11th, as soon as like every Saturday, the very next Saturday I used to go there and do, maybe I'm not sure if I have, oh, I have photos as well. So again, as I'm very bad in marketing, but yeah, sometimes I do have click photos and updated it, but it's not always all the time. And this is this, marketing thing I was still missing in me. So I got space from iNet Frames. I think 2 times they helped me with hosting my event, and it was great connecting with the folks. And I shared PHP, LAMP stack, even training, Linux installation, everything. And then I was just experimenting with different locations in Bangalore, because location also plays. So if you see every Saturday, so 4th, 11th, 18th, and then 4th March, and then 11 March, and then 6 May. So back to back, like every Saturday, if someone is saying that, hey Tarun, if you can help me into this or something new is coming, I was like, yes, let's do it. Let's try and mingle and learn. So, that excited I was, or that force I was having to train, to connect, and to take my this Mahidev concept to different people. And I think it had worked as well many times. Like I think it's been 1 year. One of the person, like maybe someone from this time, 2017 or 2017 time, when someone had joined, he had called me last 6 months or maybe 8 months or maybe a year ago, that like how are the things and how the thing goings. And also he mentioned one thing, that Tarun, your teaching style was very good. I still like it, and I'm trying something to start of the same thing here. So I said, yeah, that's great. Yeah, thanks for the feedback. And if you need any help, let me know. We'll connect back. So it's been a long time, but feedback like such really fills me up. I think somewhere this is a godsend, because it's been 9 years, man. It's more than, so some 7, 8 years. We had no touch since this time. But yeah, I had his number saved, because whenever I was going, people are coming, I used to save their number. So I was having his number, and helpful, hopefully he was also using the same number. So I quickly got the notice that, yeah, this is that guy, and we had a good chat. So that was going. So the reason why I'm showing is, these all things I'm doing, I have done offline events as well, and online as well. It's nothing offline and online, but things right now since 2 years are still not working. And I say still not working, meaning you guys know that, yeah, now this Mahidev, if you can go to Mahidev, um, I have the web and everything ready, but the work what I thought is still not going. Or I would say it's going. Like if you compare the last 10 years, I had made no videos, but since last 5 years, I made one and two. If you see last 1 year, at least I feel I have done 8 or 10. Three are already, I have not shared it. I think once I record this video, I'll upload them as well. They are ready, and I have added maybe few information where I need to add some data, or I'm getting lazy, or I don't have a planner. Maybe that's why I'm not able to do somewhere. Some things are missing. Anyways, what's in it for you? Of course, I am just telling about myself, but the main thing is, or I would say, main learnings are, one is, um, sales was something which I feel that I have to improve on, and which I have been improving. And one more change I feel since last 3 or 4 months is, earlier, like even though I wanted to start and I was not able to focus, I would say focus is the correct word, but now my focus has improved. Now, whenever I start, I pick a target, and I say that, okay, this is the thing which I need to do, and I complete that as well. And the feeling, yes, that's awesome. So I feel now what I need to do is, I just need to rinse and repeat. I just, maybe I also need one system, and you guys let me know what all systems you're using to, just give you an heads up that what is the next task or what have you target or maybe what's your 10 days goal, and it gives you an guidance like how the things are going. I'm sure with this AI there will be some stuff already doing the same. I'm not sure if it is available, but somewhere I'm thinking I need a system now. Once that system is in place, I just need to follow that blindly, because focus thing for me is solved to a good extent. Of course, there's a lot of things still to do, but I still feel positive because I've seen the change. I have observed the change that yeah, earlier I was maybe doing a lot of time pass, but now I have my strict rules. If I have some, I follow this Pomodoro. I think I have mentioned it earlier as well. So my Pomodoro is for 50 minutes, and then I take a 5 or 7 minutes break, and then 3 to 4 cycles I do. So with that, I am able to get the things done, but somewhere the things are again taking much time. So that's okay because a lot of things are there. And coming back on Laravel, I think I have even left working on these packages, although I'm still connected. Whatever personal projects I get, my first preference is always Laravel or Laravel based things. And what I feel is I may have to restart, or I'm thinking to restart in the sense like I'll be going back to my, where is the first one? 2016, like go back to 2016. What I was doing is offline or do more learning on my own. And the main reason why I was always doing this for my learning, because this way I was learning a lot of things. My few close friends also used to question me that, hey Tarun, you're not earning anything from this, why you're still doing, and what makes you to do like all this events what I shared with you. So I always used to tell them that, hey, this I love it. I love to share, and this keeps me going. Like I was not doing this for money or something, or maybe that's the reason I'm not able to do. But money was not attracting me for this particular thing, but it was just my heart. Like yes, I if you want to learn something which I know about, yes, I'm available for you, and I'll share my knowledge with you. So that was the main thing. So what I'm thinking is. Laravel, as of now, of course, is doing great. I have been following it, but somewhere I have missed that pace. So I'm thinking, let's, in this AI world, I'm sure if you guys are non-Laravel, non-PHP, you will say that these things will not work, coding is not good. But I would say I want to start again with the same things what I started with, and I just need to improve my knowledge on this. See, of course, I can use some AI and it will be doing, but internal things are still gem to learn to master. And you may call me a old thought processor or old thinker, but I feel still they are the best thing. They are the meaning in the sense like knowing the details, knowing how things are working are still best to know. So I'll take few steps back. I'll learn those things, and if I'm able to add videos, I'll do that without any filtering and all, because I know if I do that again it will stuck. So this particular year before it ends, I'll try to bump it every day. I'll try to learn something new from Laravel community or some packages and improve my knowledge on that, and then maybe build some products or some things based on that. That's one. Certifications, again, I have those in my pipeline, but I'm not sure what is stopping me or where I'm not able to focus. That's another thing to look at. And final thing, yeah, I'm not sure how the next year 2026 will be for me. It's been already 2 years. I have not wasted, but I have not done something concrete, I would say. But learnings have been a lot. How the things are going, going in meetings or something. I say my communication is not bad, or like when I say I need a sales thing, I know my sales is not that bad, but yeah, to deliver, to get the projects, the repeated follow-ups and all, I'm still lacking. But you guys tell me what, like how, what ways you use or you are using to have a good focus. What steps? So I use Pomodoro, and then I have my some focus music running, and then like I'm razor sharp. So if you are trying something new, let me know. I'll also try to include that and improve my focus more. And on the tech side, what things you feel will be taking, you know, center stage in 2026, like being a developer, being not even a developer, like being watching my videos, what do you feel? Is it will the coding thing will still be running after 6 months or maybe another year, 2026? Because I feel a lot of good models are already there. You might have to learn how to give the instructions to that, but I think they are doing pretty good, and not in just a node, Merge stack or something, but even in lamp stack and Laravel. And Laravel also is doing great work in the same lines. So I'm sure the future is there. And as I said, my only reason is to learn the things from the core, from the basic levels, how the things are working. So I'll start pretty soon on that. And hopefully I will be updating those on the channel so that again I can keep a note of that, like yeah, whatever I'm thinking I'm doing, or maybe after 2 years when I come back to see this thing, I can see that yeah, I have made a progress. These progress are very slow, but and not consistent yet. But if I see last 2 years, maybe one or two videos, then last 1 year, maybe four videos. But now I think last 6 years, I may have added more than six videos. So that's the progress I'm trying to make, and I'll keep on doing that. Once that is done, maybe I'll move on to the next task, or maybe next sections where I need more help on, more updates on, and I'll share again with you. That's all. I hope I have covered everything and I'm not missing anything. But yeah, that's for the another one. Thank you. Have a good time.